Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Mesa Plegable is probably one of the most versatile and practical additions to any home or outdoor space, offering unparalleled convenience for dining, working, or enjoying hobbies anywhere you need an extra surface. Whether you're looking for a stable spot to enjoy your meals in bed, a convenient workspace for your laptop, or an extra table for outdoor gatherings, this portable folding table provides a sturdy and reliable solution that can be easily set up and stored away when not in use, making it an indispensable item for modern living. Number 5. Amazon Basics Portable Foldable TV Tray Table. Introducing the Amazon Basics Portable Foldable TV Tray Table Set. This pack includes 4 folding trays and a convenient storage rack. It easily folds open to provide a stable surface and then folds flat for effortless portability and space-saving storage. Use it as a TV dinner tray, a small desk, or even a dedicated space for hobbies and playtime. Crafted with sturdy wood, it features a wide, rectangular tabletop for ample space. Its dimensions are 15 by 19 by 26 inches, making it a practical addition to any home. These trays come in a sleek black finish, complementing any decor. What we like? This set offers great value with 4 tables included, perfect for family gatherings or movie nights. It also comes with a convenient storage rack to keep everything tidy. If you need multiple tables for shared use or frequent entertaining, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The tables are sturdy, well-made, and have a nice espresso finish that looks great in my living space. They fold and unfold easily, making them convenient to store when not in use, and the included storage rack keeps everything organized and neat. The tables are very sturdy and the stand is easy to assemble. The stand is very compact so it doesn't take up a lot of space. The design is sleek and they are easy to clean. The dimensions of the tabletop are, length about 19 inches, 48 centimeters, width about 14.12 inches, 36 centimeters, height about 26 inches, 66 centimeters. The table is easy to fold up and store in a corner. All of the 4 tables come pre-assembled, the only thing you need to put together is the shelf for storage. It has a sleek and minimalist look which is easy on the eyes. Number 4. HUANUO Adjustable TV Tray Table, Black. Introducing the HUANUO Adjustable TV Tray Table, your versatile companion for ultimate comfort and convenience at home. This adaptable table is designed to enhance your relaxation and productivity. This tray table is incredibly practical for various uses. Whether you need a TV dinner tray, a bed table, or a movable workstation, it perfectly fits all your needs. Easily find your perfect position with adjustable height and tilt angles. Work or watch movies without straining your neck or back, ensuring maximum comfort. Designed with an additional base rod for superior stability. This feature ensures your items stay secure while you use it. Assemble it in minutes and enjoy its functionality. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage, saving you valuable space. If the table isn't level, a simple adjustment of the tilt bar ensures it lies perfectly flat. Enjoy a stable surface every time. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort with its adjustable height and tilt angles, designed to prevent neck and back strain. The added stabilizing rod ensures a wobble-free experience. If you're looking for a versatile table that adapts to your needs for working, eating, or relaxing on the couch or bed, this is the one for you. What people say. You can adjust it to fit your need. It was easy to assemble. I can slide it next to my bed or sofa and next to my reclining chair. All in all, this table is sturdy. It was very easy to assemble and is moderately stable. Lightweight and easy to move around and easy to change height and tilt when needed. Number 3. Winsome Alex Set of 2 Foldable Snack Tables. Introducing the Alex Snack Table Set. Crafted from durable materials with expert construction, these tables are built to last. Its sleek and timeless color finish complements any home decor effortlessly. These folding tables are designed to blend seamlessly with your existing style. Perfect for any room, they provide a practical and aesthetic solution for your needs. Use them in your living room, bedroom, or any space requiring extra surface. Ideal for smaller homes and apartments, they offer essential functionality without taking up much space. Enjoy their design and convenience, even in compact living areas. Setup is a breeze with clear, simple instructions. You can start using your new tables right away, hassle-free. What we like? These tables boast a sleek, timeless design that complements any home decor. They are perfect for smaller spaces like apartments or dorms, offering essential functionality without taking up too much room. If you appreciate both style and practicality for dining, crafts, or work-from-home needs, this set is an excellent option. What people say. Sturdy, functional, a perfect size, and they fold up easily behind the couch when not in use. They look nice too. Very happy with the quality. Sturdy. They're the perfect width for almost anything I'll ever need, including eating with 2 to 3 dishes. Each is like 7 to 8 pounds each. Very satisfied, exactly what I was looking for, very steady and sturdy. These are real wood, great quality and sturdy. Number 2. COSCO 6 feet fold-in-half banquet table. Introducing the COSCO 6 feet fold-in-half banquet table. It's designed for convenience and versatility. It features a secure lock that keeps the table firmly closed during transport. This ensures it stays put wherever you take it. Transporting it is a breeze thanks to the comfortable handle. It makes carrying the folded table easy and strain-free. This table is built for any setting, whether indoors or outdoors. Its durable top can withstand various conditions. Weighing only 25.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight. This makes it simple to carry and set up wherever you need it. When folded, its compact dimensions of 36.5 L x 29.6 D x 3H make it easy to transport and store. It fits conveniently in tight spaces when not in use. What we like. This table is built for versatility, suitable for both indoor and outdoor events. Its lightweight design and comfortable handle make it easy to transport and set up anywhere. If you frequently host parties, need a sturdy surface for outdoor activities, or require a reliable table for events, this fold-in-half banquet table is your go-to solution. What people say. Very sturdy, we had 6 people eating at it and no issues with it wobbling or anything like that. It folds and unfolds easily, and is super sturdy, even on plush carpet. The handle is a nice bonus feature that makes it easy to carry when folded. The fold-in-half design with the built-in handle makes it easy to carry and store without taking up much room. The table feels stable and well-made. The legs lock securely into place, and the surface is smooth and easy to wipe clean after use. Number 1. MECO Stakmore Classic Wood Folding Card Table. Elevate your hosting experience with this versatile table. It's crafted from high-quality solid wood, ensuring long-lasting durability and a timeless aesthetic appeal. Its timeless straight-edged design adds a touch of elegance to any space. This enhances the ambience of your home decor. It folds to a mere 3.375 inches deep. This allows for convenient storage in closets, under beds, or against walls when not in use. Enjoy the convenience of immediate use without the hassle of assembly. You can focus on your gatherings and games right away. When open, it provides ample space for various activities. When folded, it's compact for easy storage. What we like. Crafted from premium solid wood, this table offers exceptional durability and a classic aesthetic. It arrives fully assembled, ready for immediate use. If you value quality craftsmanship, timeless design, and the convenience of a table that's ready to go and easy to store, this is an ideal choice for game nights or extra dining space. What people say. This natural wood fold-up table has quickly become a favorite in my home. From the moment I unpacked it, I was impressed with the quality and craftsmanship. It's not one of those flimsy, lightweight tables that you worry about collapsing. This thing has some heft to it, a solid feel that speaks to its durability. The beautiful natural wood finish adds a touch of warmth and elegance to any room. It's definitely a piece I'm proud to display, whether I'm using it for dining, games, or as a temporary workspace. One of the standout features is the ingenious folding mechanism. The legs tuck away neatly and securely, making storage a breeze. And the hinges on the legs? They're clearly built to last, strong and smooth in their operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.